Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello dear student. There is hole in the bucket. इस बाल्टी में सुराख है. आज हम ये नज्म यानी कि पोएम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. Now start. There is a hole in the bucket, dear Lisa, dear Lisa. There is a hole in the bucket, dear Lisa, dear soul. Then fix it, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. Then fix it, dear Henry, dear Henry, fix it. With what should I fix it, dear Lisa, dear Lisa? With what should I fix it, dear Lisa? With what? With a straw, dear Henry, with a straw. But the straw is too long, dear Lisa, dear Lisa. The straw too long, dear Lisa, too long. Then cut it, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. Then cut it, dear Henry. With what shall I cut it, dear Lisa, dear Lisa? With what shall